What's going on, KARDIA fam? Today guys, we're going to be looking at how to get your loot boxes, right? And very simple step, very short video here. Simply go to the 3-line section here, or your hamburger section, right, and go to your game section and go into your lobby section. Once you are in your lobby section, you'll be able to see your 3 games that you can pick, right? So today guys, we'll be focusing on the loot boxes, and we'll go ahead and get a couple of loot boxes, guys, so you guys see how it works out. So I have 250 acorns, right, golden acorns. So you just simply pick a box and it's going to tell you exactly what you got. So you got 10 crystals, and we'll go ahead and do one more here, and we got for this one we went ahead and got 10 stamina. All right, and so that's it, guys. I hope you found this video informative, and stay tuned to get the other videos on the other sections of this game.